early September, and some light land at Culford is being ploughed using the new tractor and 7-furrow Kverneland plough. The headlands have already been subsoiled. However, a bale stack was made on this part of the field, which is now being pulled up to remove compaction caused by loading and carting. This time, the Sumo subsoiler is being handled by a 320 horsepower 8530, which, coincidentally, was actually bought new by Reed Agriculture in 2007 as the main cultivations tractor. It was run for 5 years and is back for a few days on loan from Tuckwell's. The field was wheat this year and will grow winter malting barley next year. It's being ploughed rather than cultivated with the Tirano to bury this year's residue in order to minimise the risk of volunteer wheat in the barley. The kind land also ploughs relatively easily. Until now, John Deere has always used diesel-only engines to meet emissions regulations, but the 7310R is their first tractor with a selective catalytic reduction system using AdBlue, in addition to exhaust gas recirculation to meet Stage 4 standards. A year farming with Deere. Available now from Anglian Agri Media.